AirTalk Wireless devices may be network locked, preventing use with other carriers. This lock is implemented via software. You can unlock your device through AirTalk if you meet eligibility requirements, like having an account in good standing and fulfilling the contract. Unlocking is typically done via the AirTalk app or website by requesting an unlock code using your IMEI. Legal unlocks are permissible for personal use. If eligible, the carrier unlocks the phone remotely, and you will be able to use it on other networks once the unlock has been processed. If your SIM is blocked due to incorrect PIN entries, you'll need a PUK code from AirTalk. Obtain this via the AirTalk app or customer service, which may require two-factor authentication. Be careful. Entering the PUK incorrectly too many times can permanently disable the SIM card. Also, be cautious with device unlock apps. Only use certified and trusted tools. Steer clear of apps that promise unauthorized unlocks, as these can introduce malware or void warranties. Always back up your data before attempting any unlocking process. For hands-on guides, prioritize legal methods, and if issues persist, contact AirTalk support directly.